Here's my screen, and this is Tellie. See that highlight moving? That's not a timer. Tellie is tracking the exact words I'm saying right now in real time. Watch what happens when I stop talking. It waited. Now watch when I jump ahead a few lines. That's the difference. Other teleprompters scroll when they hear voice. Tellie knows where you are. 50 languages all on device, your voice never leaves your Mac. Present from Keynote, Tellie automatically shows your speaker's notes and advances your slides when you finish your last word. No clicker required. So I designed Tellie with 30 years of Apple experience. It should feel magical. Actors on Law and Order and Only Murders in the Building use Tellie for audition prep and have told me it's really special. Tellie, it's your silent second screen that holds whatever you need, always there when you need it. The free version is a full teleprompter that works forever. Pro is less than $20 on sale and does a lot more. One time, no subscription. Go to tellieapp.com, named after my 3-year-old granddaughter, Ellie, who is just learning to read. Thank you.